It's calendar time. Happy Thursday, everyone. This is your last day before the weekend. So today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. Oh, let's go back to this one. Tomorrow is Chinese New Year, officially Chinese New Year. You have no school tomorrow. You have no school Saturday, no school Sunday, and then there's another no school day here. And I didn't put it on here because I think I just kind of forgot. Let's see. It won't let me add another one. So sorry. Okay, so on the 15th, it's a President's Day holiday, so you don't have to come to school Monday either. So you have 4 days at home with your families. We're going to go ahead and change this from Wednesday to Thursday. February 11th. Whoa, there we go. (2021). Here we go. I say it, you say it. Today is Thursday, February 11th, 2021. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And the weather tomorrow is the weather today is supposed to be 71. It's supposed to be a little bit warmer, but still cloudy and sunny. 71. I need to raise this up just a little bit. And it will be cloudy and sunny, so we'll add one more day for sunny. And one more day for cloudy. So far in February, for the days that we have been in school, we have had 8 sunny days and 5 cloudy days. Weather Bear is it's 71, so we can go ahead and put him in some t-shirt and jeans for today. In a t-shirt and jeans situation, and we'll move right on to all about today. The month is February. Whoop, sorry. Let's drag the wrong one. Month is February. The season is winter. And the weather is sunny and cloudy. And the temperature is going to be 71 degrees. It's one more day of school. It is the 11th of February and the 111th day. So congratulations on your 111th day that you are even smarter. We'll go ahead and add one here, and now we can add a little one. We'll grab a little one out of the stack and stick it right over here. Okay. Let's talk about these shapes. 2D flat shapes, your turn. 2D flat shapes. Circle, your turn. Circle. Everything I say, you say. Pentagon. Pentagon. Square. Trapezoid. Triangle. Oval. Rhombus or diamond. Rectangle, octagon, hexagon. 3-dimensional, solid shapes. Cylinder, cube, cone, rectangular prism, pyramid, and sphere. All right, friends, you have your hundreds chart here, and the counting to 100 is in the videos. The counting by 10s, the counting by 5s, and the counting by 2s should also be in there, along with some weather songs and other calendar songs. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys during live time.